Shocking health benefits of fennel seeds. Welcome to our video, health enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into the incredible world of fennel seeds. These tiny, aromatic seeds might seem like another basic spice in your kitchen, but trust me, they are a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be unlocked. By the end of this video, you'll be amazed at how such a humble ingredient can play a transformative role in your overall well-being. Let's explore the shocking and little-known health benefits of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds come from the fennel plant, a sweet-smelling herb that's part of the parsley family. Known for their mild licorice-like flavor, these seeds have been used for thousands of years to add taste, aroma, and health benefits to dishes. But fennel seeds are more than just a flavor enhancer. They've been used in traditional remedies like Ayurvedic medicine for their incredible medicinal properties. Great for digestion, reducing bloating, and soothing the stomach. Also rich in antioxidants. And how to use: chew after meals, brew as a tea, or use in recipes. Fennel seeds may be small, but they pack a punch when it comes to nutrients. They are loaded with fiber to aid digestion, essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, calcium, and manganese, which play vital roles in heart health, bone strength, and hydration. Antioxidants such as vitamin C, quercetin, and flavonoids to fight oxidative stress, enhance immunity, and slow aging. No wonder fennel seeds have earned their reputation as a natural superfood. Let's kick things off with one of fennel seeds' most well-known benefits: digestive health. These seeds are a natural remedy for bloating, indigestion, and other digestive discomforts. Fennel seeds contain compounds like anethole, fenchone, and estragol, which relax the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract, allowing food to pass more smoothly. Do you often feel bloated or heavy after meals? Chewing a teaspoon of fennel seeds right after eating can work wonders. They stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, reduce gas buildup, and leave you feeling light and comfortable. Your immunity relies on antioxidants to protect your cells from free radical damage, and fennel seeds are loaded with them. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant found in fennel seeds, helps your body fight off infections and improves overall immune health. Plus, its antimicrobial properties make it even better at keeping illnesses at bay. Whether you're facing a cold or just want to stay healthier in the long run, adding fennel seeds to your diet is an easy way to naturally boost your immunity. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many serious diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and even heart conditions. The anti-inflammatory properties of fennel seeds can help alleviate this. Anethole, the main bioactive compound in fennel seeds, reduces inflammation and swelling effectively. Consuming fennel seeds regularly, through tea or chewing, may help improve joint health, ease pain, and lower inflammation levels in the body. Fennel seeds are especially beneficial for women, as they are a rich source of phytoestrogens, which mimic estrogen in the body. If you're dealing with period cramps, irregular cycles, menopause symptoms, or hormonal imbalances, fennel seeds can provide relief. Research shows that fennel seeds can significantly reduce PMS symptoms, alleviate hot flashes, and even improve uterine health. A cup of fennel tea during your cycle could be a game changer for you. Who doesn't want glowing skin and luscious hair? Fennel seeds can help you achieve both, thanks to their rich profile of antioxidants, minerals, and nutrients. For your skin, fennel seeds fight free radicals, reducing wrinkles, fine lines, and blemishes. They also improve hydration and promote a radiant complexion. A simple fennel seed tea or fennel water cleanse can revitalize and detoxify your skin from within. As for hair health, the high levels of calcium, magnesium, and iron in fennel seeds nourish hair follicles, making your locks stronger, shinier, and less prone to breakage. Say goodbye to costly hair treatments. Nature has you covered. If you're on a weight management journey, fennel seeds are your new best friend. These seeds help control appetite and cravings by giving you a fuller feeling for longer. Meanwhile, their ability to stimulate metabolism means your body burns calories more effectively. For a quick fix, try sipping fennel-infused water throughout the day. It's refreshing and helps detoxify your body while speeding up your metabolism. Potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, and guess what? Fennel seeds are full of it. Regularly consuming fennel seeds can help maintain cardiovascular health by preventing hypertension and relaxing blood vessels. Additionally, fennel seeds may help lower bad cholesterol and improve good cholesterol levels in the blood, further reducing the risk of heart diseases. Struggling with a persistent cough or respiratory problems like asthma? Fennel seeds can help. Their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help soothe irritated airways and reduce phlegm buildup. Drinking a warm fennel tea or inhaling steam infused with fennel seeds can provide fast relief from congestion and support long-term lung health. Detoxifying the body is crucial in today's fast-paced, toxin-loaded world, and fennel seeds are one of nature's most effective cleansers. They stimulate the liver and kidneys, the body's primary detoxifying organs, to flush out harmful waste. Start your morning with fennel-infused water to naturally detoxify your system and kickstart your day. Now that you know the wide-ranging benefits of fennel seeds, you might be wondering, how can I add them to my daily routine? Here are a few simple tips. Chew them raw. Chewing a teaspoon of fennel seeds after meals aids digestion and freshens breath. Make fennel tea. Steep a teaspoon of fennel seeds in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add lemon or honey for extra flavor. Use in cooking. Fennel seeds can be added to curries, roasted vegetables, bread, or spice blends. Fennel water. Soak a tablespoon of fennel seeds in water overnight, strain in the morning, and drink for its detox benefits. Before you dive headfirst into fennel seed consumption, let's clear up some myths. Myth: fennel seeds are a magic bullet for weight loss. Truth: while fennel seeds help suppress appetite and improve digestion, weight loss still depends on other lifestyle factors like diet and exercise. Myth: eating fennel seeds in large quantities is fine. Truth: overeating fennel seeds may lead to side effects like allergies or hormonal imbalances, so moderation is key. While fennel seeds are highly beneficial, they may not suit everyone. Pregnant women and individuals with specific allergies or medical conditions should consult a healthcare provider before including fennel seeds in their diet. By now, it's clear why fennel seeds are considered a superfood. From improving digestion and boosting immunity to enhancing skin and hair health, they have something to offer everyone. And the best part? They're affordable, versatile, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So, what are you waiting for? Start reaping the benefits of fennel seeds today and take a small but meaningful step toward better health. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on natural health remedies. Let us know your favorite way to enjoy fennel seeds in the comments below. Remember, healthy living begins with small, simple choices like this.